Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G in awesome lavender with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Experience awesome intelligence with features like Circle to Search, My Filter, and Object Eraser, powered by a 4nm Snapdragon processor and a flagship-grade camera. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G has received a strong customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from 541 reviews, highlighting its appeal and performance. You can own the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G with flexible options, including no-cost EMI plans. It is priced at $32,499.00 after an 18% saving. The Galaxy A36 5G showcases design excellence. It's the slimmest A-series at 7.4mm, with a premium glass back and a 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with Vision Booster. It features a key island design for an intuitive grip and a sleek, minimalist floating camera layout. Captures stunning moments with the pro-grade camera. It features a 12-megapixel selfie camera with HDR recording and a 50-megapixels main camera with OIS and an AI engine, offering better clarity in low-light photography and videography. Experience awesome intelligence with the personal AI assistant, Gemini Live. Enjoy hassle-free searching with Circle to Search, intelligent editing with Object Eraser and Custom Filter, and smart image enhancement with AI-powered portraits. Durability meets power with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and back. It is IP67 rated for water and dust resistance and features a powerful 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor with a larger vapor chamber. Enjoy exclusive features including Samsung Knox security, 6xOS upgrades, and hassle-free tap and pay with Samsung Wallet. The One UI experience offers an intuitive interface backed by a long-lasting battery providing up to 29 hours of video playback. Customer verdict indicates an excellent photo quality and premium look, along with an immersive display. Note that battery life depends on usage and there are mixed performance experiences, including some touchscreen issues, leading to a debate on value for price.